Hey, welcome back again. In this week, Toby's Real Skills with Toby will look at, I think it's the same brand, EASEORD. I'm wrong in pronouncing, but we'll look at a mounting option to mount your phone, your tablet, your walkie-talkie, and other things, accessory like GoPro or whatever you want to have for your off-road vehicle, in this case Jeep Wrangler JL. And this unit seems to be a little cheaper than the name brand. I'm really curious how it is. Want to see how it does assemble and especially how it performs, because it's meant to be for off-roading. And this is a great, actually a packaging to send it in. It looks great. Do I need to do any installation for this? I feel like not, but it's really great. By the way, the same brand was also the water tanks, which you can find up there. There was a 4-gallon and also an 8-gallon water tank I had, or still have from the company, and they were holding on good, really good. So I'm really looking forward to assemble this one, putting it onto the test. So first installation, or first unboxing, then the installation, so you'd have an idea what's in there, because it looks like there's a lot of accessories you can use, especially when you're driving. Driver's seat, that might be you. And on the other side, the passenger, maybe the passenger wants to have a phone holder as well or something like that. So let's take a look. Okay, I hope you can see it. There is a little instruction which shows, I guess, the final installation. Up there it is. That's how to assemble it. Assemble, installation, and then mounting options. The first thing we're looking at here, there are a bunch of options, it looks like, what you can add. It means we do have some kind of hot shoe or something, probably here. That's one option. We do have I believe that should be a phone mount. We have, of course, installation hardware and bolts. We do have this bolt joint, or universal bolt. We do have another installation, I have no idea. Maybe for GoPro, maybe something else. Tablet mount, maybe that's a phone as well. And then we have also a screw-in place here. And we have an extra spare, which might be for here. Here, what I'm surprised with, so far I opened this already. Here's the GoPro mount actually. There we go. Installation tools. There's a Phillips screwdriver they include in this package, nice. They also include this Torx wrench. And then we do have the bracket itself, and it's 3 pieces actually. So we do have those arms. And by the way, I'm holding this one, but it feels like, so first of all, it feels like a good aluminum CNC part. It doesn't have a lot of sharp edges at all. There's a second one over here. So those are the arms for the sides, and they all come with this 3M, kind of 3M, there's no 3M on it, but adhesive. And then we have the main part, which should be this piece. And it does come already with those brackets pre-installed. Those brackets go into the Jeep, and we need to tighten them down. And then we can, if we want to, also use those 3M adhesives here, take them off or glue it to the car dashboard itself, because I think it's a pretty straightforward and easy installation. It looks like this. So this is a intense big unit, if you ask me. Goes all over the dash. Gives you plenty of mounting options. I think I will pre-install first those sidebars as well, because I want to have them on it. And therefore, we do have a bunch of bolts. Let me just assume. So I see here for this upper part up there, which goes in. You see this adhesive goes on the bottom, obviously. So this is one side. These are threaded, so it means we just should be able to attach it here and try to bolt it in and see if that aligns. And actually it does. Oh wow, that was easy. I'll do the other side as well. Same again here. Because I don't know if I have enough space in the car to tighten it down, so I want to do it here. It's aluminum, so don't overdo it. And we have those black bolts here. We'll take 2 of them, and we'll be able to just mount it in. But before we do that, I want to see what I can adjust or attach to it. I got those awesome walkie-talkies for the next off-road trip. I'm planning to do a TP-5. And I was hoping to somehow mount it as well somewhere, but I have no idea how, because I didn't get any mounting hardware for it. Unless I can use this bracket here, and maybe I can just pop it in like this. I mean, that would be fabulous. It's not super safe here, or not tight, but we'll see. Maybe that's one of them I can use for it. Maybe I can use this one. Okay, so phone mount, I could use this one as an example. Right. The good thing is you should be able to get those universal adapters anywhere. I think when you look at the photography stuff, you will be able to find it. The way it works, you see this rail, and there's always a little cutout in the middle. Here it's in the middle. On the side tracks, it's at the beginning. And here up front, it's also in the middle. So that means for the phone mount, for example, which I want to have up front, right? I go in, slide it in here. And then I should be able to slide it right or left. And that's what it works. And when you have it at a position where you like it, you just bolt this down as much as you can, and then a little more to have it hand tight. And then you can move it around in whatever position you want to have it. So now it should be fixed. So let me go into the car. All right, we're in the car. It's always a little more tricky with the lighting, but I hope you can see that. Up here, when you look in here, that's where we need to align it and use 2 bolts. So one on this side, the other one should be on the other side, like over there. And yes, you need to take out this rubber material which was in here. And then I'll show you how it works, because that's straightforward. 2 of those Phillips head screws. All right, look at that. So we have it installed. It is. Everything. One thing you see here is probably the adhesive, which is sticking out a little bit, which is not the best, but I didn't want to take it off yet because I want to test it first. All right, look at that. So I tried to install a couple things. You can see here my phone. That's me. Hi. Then I have the walkie-talkie. I have another phone mount over there. I do have behind the phone, behind there, the GoPro mount. And then I have 2 more installation possibilities. And you can buy, I don't know, other aftermarket installation adapters or adapters in general, because you can just slide them in. That's how they work. It's pretty, easy, and gives you plenty of options. And in case you do not want to have those little arms here on the side, like I'm not using them at the moment, you can just take the bolt out, slide it off. So make that decision before you do the installation complete. I think we got a pretty solid install. But the cool part about it is that I still have 2 more of those, which I can put on. Actually, there's a 3rd one, which I didn't even talk about, which you can actually fix mount with those. Oh, there we go. With those little bolts they provided. So there's everything you need in this kit and more. And for my purpose, having the phone, having maybe the walkie-talkie, having maybe another phone or tablet, or maybe my passenger's tablet, plenty of space, and I can even mount way more if I want to or need to. The parts itself, everything's included in this package, and I think it's cheaper than the competitors. Didn't have the high, more expensive brand tested that, so maybe let me know if that's a huge difference in case you have both. So I think that's something which people would like to know. If you have any questions about it, which I should test, which I should tell you about it, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to see you subscribe to the channel if you like the stuff I'm doing. And thanks for watching. Cheers!